I'm creating this video to demonstrate how I test my vacuum tubes. For this one, we're using specifically a Con branded RCA 12AU7As. What I have here is an amplifier that I refurbished out of a Con organ. The amplifier model is 56665-7. It's a 215 watt model with the 6L6GB power tubes you can see right here, and in it I have one of the Con 12AU7As. As you can see here on the schematic of the amp, it has 12AU7As right here. Right here I have both my multimeters hooked up. I have the digital and analog, so that way when I test the actual audio signal with music, you can see the analog meter moving with the music. Also, as you can see, the output of the amp here runs right here. I have it connected to both multimeters, and then later on in the test I will hook up this speaker down here, just a regular RCA test speaker that I have hooked up to these test leads. And prior to this video, I have warmed up the amp for about 5 minutes, and right now we will power it up. Flip the switch. Tubes are on. 12AU7 is lit up. Well, I'm going to shut off the light here so you can see it. Lit up and glowing. And I have my phone hooked up here. You can see the cable coming around right here to the amplifier. So I will turn on my phone and we'll run a tone generated test. I will start it and we will select white noise, and I have the volume turned up on the amp. As you can see, reading around 7 volts, analog meter, and when I turn down the volume you can see the analog meter moving all the way down, all the way up. The reason I do not have a speaker hooked up when I'm running this type of test is that it is really loud. It'd be insanely loud white noise right now. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to turn the volume down. I'm going to go back to my phone and we'll exit out of this, and I will play some music. First I'm going to power off the amp, and I will hook up the speaker to my leads here. Okay, speaker's attached. Powering amp back on. Amp is on. Volume down, and we'll press play. Now see, that is, right now that's quite loud. I can probably barely even talk over it once I start to get it turned up. As you can see on the analog meter, it will move up as I turn up the volume. See, and that is quite loud. I'm talking at a raised level right now. That's not even quarter tilt on the volume. Let me shut this off so you can hear me speak some more. I did this test with all of these tubes right here. Every single one of the tubes with the white noise test measured with a variance of less than 1/10 of a volt. They were all between 6.9 and 7 volts output on the amp with the white noise input, and they all sounded amazing with the audio running through them. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message through the eBay messaging system, or I guess you could on the YouTube as well. That's it. Thanks for watching.